Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make egg and cabbage stir fry. Simple, healthy, and blood sugar friendly. And yes, I'm going to be using purple cabbage today. It's rich in antioxidants and fiber. It's so rich in fiber. Cabbage is low in carbs as well, so it's perfect for blood sugar control. I'm using purple cabbage, but you can use green cabbage, okay? That works just as well. Cut it as thin or as thick as you like. Now for the carrots, I'm going to add a little grated carrot for natural sweetness and color. Carrots are fine in small amounts. They are full of vitamin A and still low on the glycemic index. But you can leave the carrot out if you want it extra low carb, alright? And be careful while grating so you don't hurt your finger. So for the frying, we're going to saute some onions, garlic and ginger for flavor. Okay, so you're just gonna saute this until it releases a very nice aroma. So for some general tips that I have while I'm cutting, sharp knives makes cutting very easy. You just have to be very careful with your fingers. And for this, you can just prep a big batch of cabbage and store it for the next 2 to 3 days. Now we are going to add our cabbage, the purple cabbage, and then you're going to also add in your carrots. But like I said, you can just leave this out if you want it extra low carb. Then just go right ahead and stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, also you can just go ahead and add some pepper. Okay, I'm using red pepper here, bell pepper. You can use any color you want. Stir fry for some time and then push the cabbage aside and then crack in 3 eggs or any amount of eggs you're using. Just crack it in and then you're going to let it set a little while and then you scramble gently. Okay, we're going to let it set for a while and now we are going to gently scramble this. Now you're going to mix it together. Alright, make sure it's well incorporated. Make sure everything is mixed properly. Now we're going to season this with salt, with curry, thyme, and some ground pepper. But you can go in with any seasoning of your choice, as long as you make it as tasty and as delicious as you want it to be. We're now going to mix it together, mix everything in. Now don't worry about the color. That's just the purple cabbage reacting to the eggs. Okay, it might look different, but the taste is amazing. It's high protein, low carb, and diabetes friendly. But you can try it with green cabbage if you prefer a lighter color. Either way, it's healthy and it's tasty. I hope you love this recipe. Thanks for watching.